my name is Liesel. Do you want to stay in contact with your YouTube audience by posting a message on your channel? Stay with me and I'll quickly show you how to do that. First go to Create Post. Now the section will come up where you can post your wording. You can add an image if you like. Click on Post and you are done. If you are looking for your posts, just go to the Community tab and you will find your post there. I hope you found this useful. I hope you learned something new today. If you've got any questions, please leave a comment for me and hope to see you soon. Thank you and bye-bye.